Alright guys, so if you ever get a leak and you don't know from where, from your coolant, you can always try doing this. First, of course, take off the whole intake manifold. Then we're gonna take the thermostat housing. Right here there's two bolts, one here and one over here. Both of them are 8 millimeters. Once that's off, go ahead and take off the housing. You can see the thermostat right there. There we go. Alright, so next you might want to take this other piece, which I really don't know what it's called, excuse my ignorance. Oh, anyways, but first, to get to this right there and right there, you need to remove the alternator bracket, which is right there. In order to remove the bracket, there's these two screws, that one and that one are 10 millimeters, that one and that one are 8 millimeters. Once you remove the bracket, just set it to the side, sound won't bother you. Now you can access those screws. That one is a 10 millimeter, same thing with that one, another 10 millimeter. Once those are off, just go ahead and take this. Oh, you son of a gun. Hold on, let me get both hands. Alright, so as you can see, there we go. And right over here, you can see that gasket's not tight anymore. So that's what causing the leak I was having trouble with. So all you do is just take the gasket out, clean everything to make sure it makes a nice fit. I'm doing the same thing with the intake, the others, and everything's off. Well, once you put the gaskets and everything back on, then just reverse order. Put this one on first, put the 10 millimeter screws back on. Then either you can put the bracket on. Yeah, put the bracket on, same thing, 8, 8, 10, 10, and then the thermostat housing. Put it 8 and 8. And that should be done. Alright guys. Oh, one quick question, one quick tip. Every time you do like mess with the coolant and stuff, you're not doing regular maintenance, I suggest you replace the thermostat. I'm not doing it because I replaced mine about a week ago, but I mean, it's always a good thing to keep in mind. And don't forget, when you're messing with coolant, make sure you always flush all the water out. In order to do that, and you can see it. Let's see. Oh, there you go, right here. And this is for the 05 to 09 Mustang GT, probably the B6, the same thing. This I do just twist it around until it comes completely off. I'm gonna show you guys. Hopefully there's no more coolant in there. Oh, never mind. Anyways, you twist it, come completely off, and just, oh shit, it's gonna suck. I need to dry this off. No, okay, anyways, yeah, you take that off, put a pan underneath, coolant, it's toxic to groundwater. Tighten this back up. Alright, and that should be it. Remember, always drain the system first. Alrighty guys, thank you.